I'll speak. Apologies again for being late. I think I've learned a lot of things in life. Time management is not one of them. My relationship, as far as, this tie-up, or what we call it, association with Dolby Atmos, was because I and the team at Balaji believe that it is our prime focus to bring in the best possible entertainment with the best possible experience. The visual experience can be managed with great locations, with the way you shoot, with cinematography, with great locales. But sound, now sound is something that needs a specialization, a certain amount of advanced form of capturing, and I think Dolby Atmos is probably the answer to all these questions. However great your visual is, sound is something that is created later, and Dolby Atmos will be our medium through which we will hopefully bring in the best possible visual and sound marriage. I'm here to say that I'm extremely honored and proud to be associated with Dolby Atmos. I start with my first film in the next year, one of my first few films called Azhar. 2-3 more are in the pipeline that we have signed up with them for, and I'm hoping this association continues for many, many years to come. I'm hoping to bring in with Balaji Motion Pictures and Alt Entertainment a sound and visual experience that enamor and entertain the viewers, because that's my and the company's prime focus. Thank you.
The floor is open. You can have some questions.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'd like to ask you that the biggest change that has happened in Bollywood, according to you.
What is the biggest change in Bollywood,
Yeah.
according to me?
Yeah.
The switch from just pedigree to merit. I think a lot of us came in here with pedigree and we had to prove ourselves through merit. I think people are way more accepting of fresh talent today, and content that is created by fresh new people, and I think the importance of pedigree has reduced and the importance of merit and talent has increased.
एकता मतलब हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे अगर आप कोई एग्जांपल दें, जैसे कि आपकी आने वाली फिल्म अब जो अगली बनेगी अजहर पे जो बनने वाली है, तो उसमें क्या ये डॉल्बी इस्तेमाल होगा ही, लेकिन किस तरीके से, हाँ, तो मतलब किस तरीके से ध्यान रखा जाएगा कि क्रिकेट का मैदान होगा तो वो आवाज होगी, अगर किस तरीके से आप सोच रही हैं डॉल्बी आने के बाद उस फिल्म के बारे में जब आप सोचती हैं तो कैसे सोचती हैं?
देखिए ये बहुत वास्ट क्वेश्चन है. अभी आई कैन नॉट टेल यू इन विच सीन हाउ विल बी एक्सपीरियंस, बट I mean, we're making a film on a legend, a man who's been a hero, a villain, a victim, a fallen hero, a star. He's been criticized, loved. Every criticism will be heard, every praise will be heard louder. Every sound that you want to hear, maybe even of the heartbeat, will be louder. The experience is not to concentrate on the sound. The experience is to enable the sound to help you concentrate more on the content. So I think that's what's going to be the idea.
इसी फिल्म से जुड़ा एक और सवाल था, अगर
नहीं, फिल्म से जुड़ा हुआ कोई सवाल नहीं लेंगे हम.
क्या बता पाएंगे कि करीना क्यों बाहर हो गई?
बिल्कुल, वो एक्चुअली करीना क्यों बाहर हो गई, कहाँ से? Azhar
से. There have been reports that Kareena is playing Sangeeta Bijlani's role and you guys have approached her.
Have I said that anywhere? Reports can be anything. I mean, I haven't said it, so I can't clarify.
अच्छा, एक तो हर कोई जानना चाहता है, मतलब ये इस फिल्म से जुड़ी हुई हर बात सबके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. कौन होगा जो संगीता जी का रोल होगा? आपके दिमाग में कौन कौन से नाम है? क्या आप
I was thinking Sangeeta ji khud, but I don't think she'll agree.
But was Kareena approached for this role?
No.
Okay, Ekta, something connected to the technology again.
Yes.
The first time when you ever saw a film, which made you believe that this is what we probably lack in India, and or maybe in audiovisual experience, and in this case, audio especially.
As I said, the beauty of an experience is that you don't really concentrate on only one aspect of it, and it really helps you enhance the whole experience. So if you ask me, for me on a personal level, it was shockingly an action film called Mission Impossible with Tom Cruise, where I actually experienced the power of sound. I don't know if that was a Dolby Atmos film, but that time, I think it was 2-3 years ago, I realized how advanced Hollywood is as far as sound goes, even in an action film. So you expect that experience in somehow a special effects film. Like Gravity, I was, of course, enamored with the way it was done. But the first time I actually realized on a personal level how important sound is through Mission Impossible. I mean, I was actually sucked in with the power of the way the sound created the ambience.
एकता क्या हेलो एकता क्या कृति सनोन को कंसीडर किया गया है संगीता बिजलानी के रोल के लिए?
ये देखिए मैं अभी I don't know, I'm telling you, I'm so shocked at so many names coming out who I haven't even approached. Can I just do one thing? Can I do this press conference on Dolby Atmos? I swear to meet you all in exactly a month. I'll stand here with who's playing Sangeeta Bijlani, and hopefully the real Sangeeta Bijlani, and make the announcement. I swear. Otherwise, I don't know. See, I'll tell you, the film is very controversial. It has a lot of questions, a lot of actors ask when you do such a important casting. I am having enough issues to see that I have to stay clear of a lot of controversies. Trust me, there's a reason why I'm not answering many questions here.
Hi, Ekta.
Hi.